Folks, we are honored to be in the Birdcage Theater. You got to be good to play in here. Yeah. Adelaide and Thomasina were not available. That was near the phone. No, we're normally at the Wagon Camp, and we're so glad to see our friends from the Wagon Camp. And then we have friends from that other horrible place that we used to work. Anyway, folks, look for a job somewhere else. And here we are at Knott Farm having a ball. I got to meet these beautiful men there and that beautiful lady right there at that place. So it was a good thing. And that beautiful lady is my wife. And that's a good thing. Let me tell you, that's a good thing. Pointing out the beautiful ladies is something I don't normally do. All right. Since we work at the place that's got the most famous Halloween event in the world, it's only appropriate that we do a song about dead cattle, dead cowboys. Let's do Ghost Riders in the Sky. Riding down one dark windy day, she restless and went on his way. When all at once somebody heard a red-eyed Kathy song come from the ragged sky, and up the clouded dawn. There was still on fire and her boots made of steel. The light is shining and I'm ready to feel. They running through the skies, and they saw the riders coming on. They heard them all. Yeah. With the riders in the sky. Don't mind me hearing one call his name. Really hell, you're Savior, I'm told from right on the range. They cowboy change the ways.